Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Copper CRM with a Dropbox. All right. So first off, log into your Copper CRM account. And once done, go to the top left, click on your profile or profile name, and then click on integrations. Okay. In here, as you can see, the very first row, we have Dropbox. And as you can see here, mine is already active or is already connected. Okay. Why is that? So the first time I signed up for Copper CRM, it asked me to log into my Dropbox account. So if you haven't got that prompt, don't worry. I'm going to show you. I'm just going to disconnect it right here. And then I'm going to hit on connect. Okay. As you can see, now you might ask, why doesn't it ask me to log in? Well, my Dropbox account is already logged into my browser. That's the same browser. Okay. That is why. Copper right here automatically detects whatever accounts are connected to your browser. Okay. Same as my other integrations right here. I can just easily click on connect and it will automatically log me in, okay, depending on the account here on my browser. Also, the accounts that is tied to your Gmail or Google account, okay? Let's say you've made a DocuSign account using your Google account or Gmail account. Well, when you hit on connect right here, it will just automatically pull your login from DocuSign that is tied to your Google account, okay? If that makes sense. But that's just basically it. Just basically click on connect and once done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.